Hello everyone, today I will show you our new product is our model Boreas. For this model, for this compressor dehumidifier, it can be 12 liter per day or 16 liter per day for the dehumidifying capacity. Now I will firstly show the functions for it. First, I say about its design. You find it has a hidden handle. Very nice. You can hang it. Yeah. Hidden handle. Very nice design. Yeah. And also you can push it here and there. The meaning it has wheels inside at the bottom. So very nice, right? Yeah, very nice. And here you can also find it has this band for the power cord. You can they can be fastened here. So very nice. This design. This the filter, pre-filter, and also you can add this other filter here, yeah, carbon filter. Yeah. Design is very beautiful and functional. And now I show you the functions. First I want to say the night function. Here you go. Half night. The night off. Yeah, okay. This is the night function. And you can find different humidities that shows different LED light. Yeah. When the water tank is full of water, and the LED light will turn red to remind the users. So this function is very nice for the LED light. Yeah. And you can find you can add a UV function. UV to kill bacteria or microbes. Press again. UV function is on, off, and this fan speed very silent when you use the no fan speed. High fan speed, and here you can also find 3 seconds. Now press this key 3 seconds. Can activate the child knock function. Yeah, and this is the timer function. Here, yeah, 24 hours, right? 24 hours timer. The notes I will show you this mode. This is the comfort mode. This is the dry close mode. Dry close, you can find. And this is the fan mode. When you choose fan mode, the compressor inside will be off work. Only the fan inside can work. And this is a continuous mode. When you use continuous mode, it better use a pipe. We'll offer a pipe here with a pipe, water pipe. And this is the setting humidity mode. The humidity can be 30 to 90. Yeah, 30. 35 to 90. Yeah, right. So for this machine, the function is very nice. You can try. Thank you.